Do you know the names of these cold symptoms? How many did you guess right? Throughout this episode, we will put one of these pictures randomly to see if you would guess the right symptom. So pay attention. Speaking English at the doctor's office for beginners. Today's phrases include, I don't feel well. I have a cold. I have a fever.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
How long? Take this medicine. Twice a day. Any allergies? Come back next week.
Imagine this. You walk into a doctor's office. The doctor looks at you and asks,
What's wrong?
You know the answer in your language, but not in English. Additionally, you don't feel well and are stressed. So you might forget what to say. Maybe you want to say, I have a cold. Or, I don't feel well. Today, we practice exactly what to say. So even when you're nervous, you can still use these phrases. We will do it together. I am your teacher, Mia.
I am Mark, and I'm really glad you are here today. Welcome to Elevate Your English podcast. This is episode 3 of our 200 Common English Phrases series. These are sentences people use in real life. Today's lesson helps you speak English at the doctor's office. This is important English.
Because accidents happen sometimes, and sometimes you just don't feel well. And after today, you can explain simple health problems in English. Let's begin together. Imagine this. You arrive at a clinic. You sit in the waiting room. Maybe you're worried about the questions they will ask you. A nurse calls your name. Listen carefully. Slow and clear. Nurse. Hello, how are you today?
I don't feel well.
Repeat with me. I don't feel well. Again, I don't feel well. Perfect. This sentence helps the doctor understand immediately. The doctor enters the room.
Hello. So, how can I help you today?
I have a terrible cold. Repeat. I have a terrible cold. Again. I have a terrible cold. Very natural English. Now, imagine yesterday night. You have a cold, fever, and a headache. You say, I have a cold. Say it again. Excellent.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I have a fever. Repeat. I have a fever. Again. I have a fever. Great speaking.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here. Repeat. Where does it hurt? Again. Where does it hurt? Perfect. Now, it hurts here. Again, it hurts here. Excellent pronunciation.
How long?
2 days. Repeat. How long? Again. How long? Doctors ask this very often.
Okay. Take this medicine.
Okay, repeat. Take this medicine. Again. Take this medicine. Very important sentence.
Take this medicine twice a day.
Repeat twice a day. Again, twice a day. Perfect. You are doing something very powerful right now. You are learning English for real situations, not textbook English. Real life English. If this lesson helps you feel more confident speaking, subscribe now, comment below, and hit like.
Each episode teaches phrases you can use immediately.
And we will practice with you again next time. Now let's continue.
Any allergies?
No, but what if the answer is yes? Then you say, I am allergic to fish or allergic to a medication. Repeat, any allergies? Again, any allergies? Very common doctor's question.
Okay. Come back next week.
Patient. Okay, thank you. Repeat, come back next week. Again, come back next week. Excellent. Now we start the guided speaking practice section. We speak together. Repeat after me. I don't feel well. I have a cold. I have a fever.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
How long? Take this medicine twice a day. Any allergies? Come back next week.
Your pronunciation is getting stronger. Now, let's move on to real-life practice situations. Imagine this. The doctor asks,
How can I help you today?
you say, I don't feel well. Well done. Now imagine. Your head hurts. Say, I have a headache. Excellent. Next, the doctor asks,
Where does it hurt?
you answer, it hurts here. Very natural English. Listen again.
How can I help you today?
Patient, I don't feel well.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
How long?
2 days.
Take this medicine twice a day. Any allergies?
No allergies.
Come back next week.
Okay, thank you. Excellent speaking. Today you learned, I don't feel well. I have a cold, a terrible cold. I have a headache. I have a fever. Where does it hurt? It hurts here. How long? Take this medicine. Twice a day, meaning you take the medicine 2 times a day. Any allergies? Come back next week.
These are English phrases that will help you speak with confidence.
Your challenge today: say 1 sentence out loud. Just 1. Next time someone asks,
What's wrong?
you can answer confidently, I don't feel well. Subscribe and continue learning with us. You're doing something amazing.